When you finish the poem Simon, keep it at your desk. At the end of the period, you're going to staple it to this paper, which I would like for you to go to the half round table in the front of the room and get a copy of. It's actually a packet that has 4 pages to it. At the end of the period, you're going to staple this packet to your poem Simon and turn it in. And I will be grading you based on what I see most of the class being able to accomplish throughout the period. So if you turn in a page that is blank and everybody else has finished both the poem and the entire packet, then I would expect, or you would expect, that you're going to get a 0 for your classwork for the day. So make sure that you stay on task. If you have any questions, you can always go back and rewatch the videos to see the examples that I'm going to go through. So the next part of the blend space, the next slide on this blend space, is a video for the song Crusader by the band Saxon. You're going to watch that video. Along the bottom, it's going to show you the lyrics that go along with it, but it's going to go kind of fast. So if you need to refer to the lyrics on the very next slide after that, I have a copy of the lyrics, and they look like this, just so that you can see them separately. And after you've listened to them, you're going to go back and think about the poem Simon and how the song and the poem connect to what we've been reading about from the Crusades. And I want you to copy down word for word a quote from the poem and then explain it. And you're actually going to do that twice for the poem. And then I'm going to do the first example from the song Crusader for you. So over here you'll see the lyrics, and I copied this quote here. And I quoted it because they're not my words, they're the words that were directly taken from the song. And then I'm going to explain, well, how does united by faith and the cause, the Saracen heathen will soon taste our steel, how does that reflect what we've read about with the Crusades? And to save time, I already had this typed in for you. I do want this in a complete sentence because you're really showing me how you can connect this. So it's not going to be 1 or 2 sentences, 2 words. It might be 1 or 2 sentences to get to that. This quote from the song shows that the Crusaders, who were Christians, fought together, when we say united by faith, based on their religious beliefs, which was their cause, against the Saracen or Muslims. Heathen refers to people who do not belong to a religion, but in this case, they did belong to a religion because they were Muslim. The Christians just didn't accept that as an appropriate religion. The steel, the taste of our steel, refers to the Crusaders killing them with their swords. Okay, so you're going to go back to those lyrics, find another quote here that you can identify from the poem, and then, or from the song, and then do your own explanation. Okay, and I'm going to pause you there and go on to the next couple of slides.